Vaccines are one of medicine's most powerful tools. But how do they actually train your immune system? Let's break it down. When a virus or bacteria enters your body, your immune system has to recognize it, respond, and remember it. That's what keeps you from getting sick a second time. A vaccine gives your body a preview of the infection, without making you sick. It might contain a weakened, killed, or fragmented version of the virus or bacteria, or just a piece of its genetic code. Like in mRNA vaccines, your immune system treats it like a real threat. White blood cells spring into action. T cells destroy infected cells. B cells create antibodies that recognize and target the intruder. The best part? Your body stores memory cells that remember what the invader looked like. So if the real virus shows up later, your immune system responds faster, stronger, and smarter, often stopping the infection before it starts. That's why vaccines don't just protect you, they help protect entire communities by reducing the spread of disease. In short, vaccines are like a training simulation for your immune system, giving it a head start before the real enemy arrives. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more medical animations.